salt. It is an important ingredient for your food. But do you know this thing that the salt you're consuming can be dangerous for your health? Hello and welcome to the InFocus series for this TIS. I am Ritu and today's session is about salt can be dangerous to your health and what WHO has recommended for this thing. And this session is important for your GS 3 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news. Then we are going to discuss health impact of the salt consumption, and then we are going to discuss public health efforts in India, challenges and implementation, and what could be the way forward approach, and then practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIS channel. Moving towards to the news part. So before moving to the news part, I want to make an important announcement for you. Drishti IS Noida address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida Uttar Pradesh, and nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15. And ISGS Foundation course is available in both the medium, Hindi medium and English medium. These are the details of the classes. 17th February for the English medium 6 PM and 21st February for the Hindi medium by 11:30 AM. Still, if you have any queries related to the classes and anything related to this TIS, you can call on to the number 87501. So, coming to the news part, the news is that World Health Organization has recommended that sodium salt, using low sodium salt substitute replacing sodium chloride with potassium chloride. So the salt we are consuming is sodium chloride, which is NaCl. So WHO has recommended that we need to replace it with the potassium chloride, which is KCl, to reduce sodium intake below 2 gram per day. So WHO has recommended low sodium salt substitute, in short LSSS. And this aims to lower blood pressure and reduce risk of cardiovascular disease and other non-communicable diseases. So this is the news which we are going to cover up, and here you have this question that how can salt be dangerous to us. So here we are going to discuss. So first of all, health impact of salt consumption. So what excessive sodium does? So excessive sodium increases water retention, raising blood pressure and contributing to hypertension, a major risk to heart disease, strokes and atherosclerosis. So what is this atherosclerosis? So it is about blockage and a problem in arteries, and study shows that reducing salt intake significantly lowers the blood pressure. Potassium, which WHO has recommended in place of the sodium, helps counterattack sodium's harmful effects, improving vascular health. And poor diets contribute to 8 million deaths annually, in which 1.9 million linked to the high sodium intake. So here we can see that because of the poor diet, 8 million people are dying, and among 8 million also 1.9 million people are dying because of the sodium intake, wrong proportion of the sodium intake. So here we'll discuss public health efforts in India. So salt played an important role in India's health history, and with iodized salt eradicating iodine deficiency in the 1950s. So you can see there were very initiatives related to that. We need to curb the iodine deficiency among the individuals, and now excessive salt use remain common, prompting initiatives like Losartan Group, which trains doctors and raises awareness about the high sodium risk. So here we can see that salt usage is not bad, but we have this awareness that we need iodine rich salt, but that in a wrong proportion, and the awareness has not reached to in a right direction, and that has led to the high sodium intake, and there are various problems related to the salt consumption. So we have this kind of problem existing in our country. So here we can see the challenges and implementation. So the substitute has been that we need to replace it with the potassium, and low sodium substitute is there, which has been recommended by the WHO. So it faces challenges because its adoption is not easy, because it is costly. in comparison to the regular salt, and maybe we have this tendency, and also we do not have that purchasing capacity to afford high price of the salt. Also, expert advocates government policies to improve accessibility and regulation, that we need to lower down the cost of the potassium, and here we have to work, and government also think that how we can adopt LSS in place of the sodium chloride. And then, however, increased potassium intake may also be harmful, especially in undiagnosed kidney disease, the disease which has been not diagnosed by the doctors related to the kidney, also to the hyperkalemia. So these are the problems which can occur by the potassium. So here we also need awareness regarding the potassium, so that right proportion reach to the people. So these are the implementation challenges we have, that why we are not able to shift swiftly to the low substitute of the sodium. So coming to the way forward approach, that what can be the way forward approach for this. So balancing sodium reduction with careful potassium intake is crucial, and as I have already mentioned, public awareness, medical guidance and policy needed to support this kind of initiative by the WHO. And this is not just related to the India, the other countries are also suffering from such kind of the wrong proportion of intake. So first, we often see that we do not have such kind of discussion that salt can be dangerous to us, and we cannot see that a proper section and proper initiatives, proper seminar, conferences, awareness programs are happening related to the salt. So we need that ground approach to make this kind of awareness, and if you are making awareness, we need to also provide substitute at a cheaper prices, so that every classes and every people can afford that. So coming to the question aspect, the question is, what is the major challenge in implementing WHO's recommendation on low sodium salt substitute in India? Low awareness among the general public about salt consumption, high cost of low sodium salt substitute compared to the regular salt, difficulty in regulating salt intake in processed food, all of the above. So you have to answer this into the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section, and if you have any queries related to the Drishti IAS classes, we have number for you 87501 87501. Also related to this discussion, you can ask into the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.